Samsung phone users may face battery drain problems due to system-related issues. For instance, system crashes, software conflicts, or incompatible settings can lead to excessive battery consumption. In such cases, we recommend Android Repair to resolve system issues and optimize battery performance. It currently supports Samsung devices and can resolve problems like system crashes, freezes, abnormal battery drain, boot loops, and black screens. Here's how to use the Android Repair software to repair your Samsung battery draining fast. Step 1. First, download and open the tool on your computer. Step 2. Then, navigate to the main interface and click on Repair, followed by selecting Android Repair. Connect your Samsung device that requires repair to the computer. Step 3. Once the software successfully detects your phone, you will need to enter your device's information, such as brand, name, model, country, and carrier. Please be advised that this process may result in the deletion of all data on your device. Confirm by typing "Oh." Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to boot your Samsung device into download mode. Click Next to initiate the firmware download. After the firmware is downloaded and verified, the software will automatically start fixing issues on your Samsung phone.